Your Wi-Fi network is more important today than ever before, and that's why OptiCover Wi-Fi Extender is the best solution for extending your Wi-Fi to cover every inch of your space. It's compatible with any router or access point, making it easy to expand and strengthen your Wi-Fi network, and it is small and discreet, blending beautifully into any decor. This unit can be used in 3 different modes: repeater mode, AP mode, and router mode. Repeater mode extends the Wi-Fi coverage of an existing wireless network. AP mode allows a wired network device to use a wireless network. Router mode creates an instant private wireless network and enables multiple devices to share it. OptiCover features a WPS button to easily connect to any capable device or system. To connect, switch to repeater position. Plug the device into an electrical outlet and switch the power on. Hold the WPS button down on the extender for 6 seconds until the lights flash. Then activate the WPS button on your router and wait for the connection to take place. Your OptiCover will reboot and then show solid lights, indicating successful connection. It's that simple. For advanced users, you may access OptiCover's wireless configuration settings through a simple web browser. Once the OptiCover is synced with your router, you may relocate it into your space to extend your high-speed network into every corner of your home or office. OptiCover products are available online.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Cordy Video Club. This video will show you how to set up your Cordy Wi-Fi range extender. If you need to skip to a certain section, do it now. From the video, you will learn getting the range extender ready for the setup, setting up the range extender by using the WPS function, or setting up the range extender by the web-based method, and relocating the range extender. Let's begin with the WPS function to set up the extender. Switch the range extender to repeater mode and switch the power button to on. Plug it as close to your target router as you can. When the Wi-Fi indicator turns on and starts flashing, you can start the setup. Press the WPS button on the range extender for 3 to 4 seconds and release it. The WPS LED indicator will start flashing as soon as you release the WPS button. Then immediately press the WPS button on your target router. It may take up to 2 minutes to complete the connection between the router and the extender. The range extender will reboot after connecting to the target router successfully, and the Wi-Fi LED indicator will change from flashing to staying on. The range extender's SSID automatically changes to extended SSID after the success of setup. If your range extender and router could not connect by the WPS function, please follow these steps to connect your router with the range extender by the web-based method. Please make sure that you have reset your extender to the factory default settings before starting the setup. Please plug the extender in a power outlet closest to the target router. Go to the list of Wi-Fi networks on your computer and connect to the extender's network. No password will be required the first time you are connecting. Once you are connected to the range extender, it may say "No Internet, open." That is all right. Please continue the setup process. Open a web browser on your laptop and type any of the 2 links for the admin page. Then type admin for the password with all letters lowercase and click on Login. Please click on the wizard option from the bottom and it will take you to the next window. In this window, you will see the range extender scanning for SSIDs. Please select the SSID of your target router from the list. Above the list, you can see 3 columns. Top one has the current SSID of the range extender. Third column has the extended SSID of the range extender. And the middle one is for the Wi-Fi password. Please type the Wi-Fi password of your target router. Please make sure that it is the same as your Wi-Fi password before you click on Connect. Now the range extender will connect to the target router. Normally, the percentage bar may take up to 2 minutes to reach 100, so please be patient. Once the bar reaches 100, the Wi-Fi LED indicator on the extender will go from flashing to staying on. If you want to test your internet connection, please connect to the extended SSID of the extender from the list of Wi-Fi networks. Please type in the Wi-Fi password of target router to connect with it. After that, please open up a web browser and type www.coridi.com and check to see if you can access the internet. Now, you can relocate the range extender to your desired location. Blue area being the coverage area of your router, and green area being the dead zone. Please plug the range extender halfway between the target router and the dead spot. You can find the best location by checking the Wi-Fi LED indicator on the extender. If there are 3 LEDs, that means you are getting excellent reception. 2 LEDs mean you are getting medium reception from the router. 1 LED means you are getting weak reception from your router, so please make sure there are at least 2 Wi-Fi indicator LEDs lit solid on the extender. If you find it difficult to set up the extender, you can call our toll-free technical support. Our technical support staff will walk you step by step through the setup process.
Your house. Completely geared up and Wi-Fi connected. But you have dead spots, and you want an easy way to get complete wireless coverage everywhere around your home. You need Wi-Fi everywhere, but your home can have dead spots with no bars and leave you experiencing difficulty connecting to your home network when on the opposite side of the house, away from your router. With signal strength weakened by walls, home electronics, and distance, you're left with areas in your house where your connection is little to none. But with Netgear's Universal Wi-Fi Range Extender, you can now extend the range of your Wi-Fi signal through every room and even out into the backyard or patio. Simply plug the range extender in halfway between your current wireless router and the wire.
Introducing Google Wi-Fi, a new kind of system designed to keep up with how we use Wi-Fi today, from playing to streaming to video calling. Here's how it works. You simply replace your existing router with a Google Wi-Fi point, or points if you have a larger home. These points work together with your current modem and internet service to provide fast, seamless Wi-Fi for your whole home. Google Wi-Fi is set up and controlled through a mobile app that gives you a host of features for simple, straightforward access to your network, no matter where you are. Like letting you see which devices are connected at any one time, or giving you parental control. So if it's time for dinner or time for bed, you can give them a little time off. It lets you easily find and share your Wi-Fi password with guests, and even allows you to prioritize a specific device for faster speeds, so the important stuff never gets interrupted. And Network Assist technology works in the background to make sure you always get the fastest possible speeds. It takes care of things like Wi-Fi channel selection. High traffic on the channel you're using can slow down your Wi-Fi speed. Google Wi-Fi constantly monitors to make sure you're on the least congested channel. And when you're moving from room to room, it makes sure you're connected to the closest Wi-Fi point and the strongest, fastest signal. It will even let you know if you can improve Wi-Fi performance by moving a Wi-Fi point to a better location. Designed for your home's complex Wi-Fi needs, yet simple to control. Google Wi-Fi. Home Wi-Fi simply solved.